first off, one of the new features we have in the graph editor is the ability to control how your keys are getting inserted. Specifically, if you look in your animation preferences, which is great, it's right in your graph editor now, you can see that I've got weighted tangents and auto set up as my default when I insert a key. What we now have control of is when we go up to our set key options here, we now have the ability to control whether or not we want to preserve this shape of the curve, or we want to actually change the type of key that we're putting in there. So in this case, on default, you won't have this checked off and you'll get expected behavior. But if you want to maintain that curve shape, you select this on and you hit apply, you'll get a perfect curve, and your curve doesn't change whether you have auto tangent set up or clamped, spline, whatever it is you have set up in your preferences. You'll get a nice perfect in-between there. If you don't want this, simply leave this checked off and you'll get the expected results as usual.